Algorand's EMA10 especially shows a kind of descending pattern, which is very critical. As far as Algo support floor, it sort of is presently 29 cents, actually essentially in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. Algo in a real sense explicitly rose 11.35% in 7 days in a fundamentally especially significant manner. Algorand truly is as of now esteemed at 14 cents 13 November 2023. In this video we will generally in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for essentially fundamentally 1 week from now and especially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly, especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is especially momentary cost expectation for Algorand, is Algo is especially wise speculation. Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely critical in an exceptionally significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Algo specialized examination, by and large in every practical sense, let us especially generally discuss the kind of beautiful current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,414,664,667,125, which essentially is genuinely critical, or so they explicitly thought. The extremely absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $48,913,730,687, or so they especially certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, or so they basically thought, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33% in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense basically is very huge, beautiful in spite of While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large extremely whole digital currency market to $1,414,664,667,125, which for the most part is very huge. XRP, the truly in every practical sense, local coin of XRP essentially is somewhere near 2.19 and presently exchanging at 65 cents, which most certainly fundamentally is genuinely critical. Moreover, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem, in a in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions actually in a real sense show that the market essentially really is going in a fundamentally descending, heading for extremely present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. As of now, a kind of genuinely broad most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish certainly genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers for the most part most certainly become more extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which vendors especially move exceptionally dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so as far as Algo support floor, it especially is currently 29 cents in an unpretentious manner, which essentially is genuinely critical. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The extremely current Algorand cost by and large generally is 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of $85,061,270 in every practical sense, truly beyond 24 hours, showing how similarly. Opposition basically is a level at which vendors for the most part certainly become move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so as far as Algo support floor, it sort of is presently 29 cents, or so they basically for the most part thought in a significant manner. Presently, Algo essentially is up by 0.27% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,131,586,303 United States dollars, exhibiting that following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost fundamentally is 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of $85,061,270 in the essentially beyond 24 hours, showing how similarly opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants truly become move essentially commonly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so as far as Algo support floor, it generally certainly is currently 29 cents, most certainly genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 13 November 2023 inside a by and large especially day-to-day time span, certainly essentially made sense of beneath, which in every way that really matters, generally is genuinely huge in a significant way. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally truly normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of essentially straightforward moving truly in every way that really matters. Normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely beautiful normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Algorand, or so they in a real sense thought. The Algorand especially in a real sense has basically truly break all its sort of supports levels, and things generally basically are not looking sort of in every practical sense great for the crypto market, so Algorand value examination Algo cost examination for 13 November 2023. Inside a truly day-to-day time period for the most part, made sense of underneath in a sort of large manner. Fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. At present, quite bears explicitly basically are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally certainly take Algo cost underneath the vital help level of 29 cents, which generally basically shows that XRP the really local coin of XRP in every practical sense is somewhere near 2.19 and right now exchanging at 65 cents. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. While Algo's Williams %R pointer especially is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of signed sort of especially is quite conceivable at this reach, or so they in a real sense basically thought. The Algo United States dollar moving especially normal union and uniqueness MACD marker generally explicitly is demonstrating a very present moment, especially sell kind of sign, as the MACD line in every way that really matters is moving beneath truly signal line which essentially generally implies most certainly explicitly bears